Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT R19, and today I'll show you how you can insert your SIM card and SD card into this phone. So to get started, I'm going to take off the case so I can actually access it. So let's see. It looks like on this phone we need to take off the cover, so you will have a fingernail placement in the bottom right corner, as you can see right over here. So you want to pull that back cover off. Now I do recommend being careful. This is made out of plastic, so if you kind of like yank it too hard and it just kind of does a little bit too much of an angle, it might just completely break. So just carefully go around, pry it off, and from here you'll see that you have access to two different SIM trays and one SD tray, which already is occupied. So I'm going to take that out for now and place my own in there. And there we go. So I'm going to start off with the SIM card. As you can see, we have an image right here. Again, engraving on the phone. Just bring it closer. So you can see how you're supposed to place in the SIM card, which on the image it looks like it's supposed to go this way, with the cutout on the top right side. So simply slide it on the tray. Just try to there we go. This specific tray, it looks to be really crappy. I think this one might have been easier to actually insert it. Looks like it's at an angle. Actually, I'm gonna take it out from here and place it in here, which as you can see easily comes in. This one, I don't know, I think it might be a little bit damaged on my phone. And when it comes down to a SIM card, or not a SIM card but SD card, you just pop it in here and slide it in, and that's it. Now when you look at the phone, it will automatically show you that your SIM card is working. Now for me, I do have a pin, so it tells me to verify my SIM pin. And there we go. And also my SD card should be working as well. There we go. So you can see there is the pop-up for SD card. So both of them are working just fine, and that is how you would insert them. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.